Welcome to the Easy Design In tool. Design your LED lighting system the way you want. I want to show you some examples of making a linear module combination to cover a length. I prefer to demonstrate while being signed into my account. Starting from the landing page, choose the Guide Me and select Making a Module Combination to cover a length, and press Next to launch the wizard. To make sure the modules can make up a good combination, we must go through a series of selections, ending with the length combination selector. In this example, let us pick high voltage, module width 55, and the first three are 1100 lumens per foot module family. Press Next to continue. Note, you cannot proceed until all required fields are provided with a selection. From available colors, pick CCT 4000, and connector type FC, meaning front side connector. Again press Next. Your preference is summarized. Now you have the option to specify the total length to be covered. Conveniently enough, you can indicate which unit you prefer to use. In addition, you can adjust the module combination to your preference. The actual, accumulated length is listed at the bottom of the list, for your convenience. Press Add to Solution. We are taken to the playground. That is where the magic happens. In order to provide a solution with mixed modules, the playground is now limited on the module side to only the selected modules. Let us enter the desired number of luminaire lumens and press Calculate. On the driver's side is a list of all possible matching drivers to choose from. This helps you focus on the solution you are looking for. When you create a solution, you will see that all selected products are part of the component list in the solution. You can achieve a similar result by using the following sequence. Close the solution and go to the generic search field. Start by searching for your favorite linear LED module, select it, then land on the playground. Select the module from the list. Note the module length selector assistant becomes available. If you press Start, the length assistant will be reactivated. However, all the required selections have already been made, so you can go straight to the module combinations. It's that simple. Easy Design In tool. Make your job easier every day, your way.